so as you can see, this is a different look than I've ever done before. If you guys want to see me curl my hair like this with a 3-in-1 curler, please keep on watching. First, I want to tie this part of my hair. Just tie this really tight so it doesn't move. So I kind of like started a little bit just to see what it was going to look like, and honestly, I'm a little scared because I've never done this before, but let's just try it out. So this is the Bedhead 3-wand curler, and I'm super excited because I've never tried this before. So let's see. I feel like people say hold it for 3 seconds, but I want to hold it for more. Also, my hand's shaking for some reason. Oh, I need food. Also, these are new extensions, so maybe it's not gonna look as curled as possible or as wavy as possible. So let's see what it's gonna look like. So yeah, I think I hold it for like, let's see. Let's do it again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's hold it for 12 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Low-key, my hands are already hurting. I don't like doing hair so much. I don't know why, unless if it's like me ironing it or if I already had my hair done the day before, it's easier for me to go over it. But I feel like it's such a hassle doing hair. I hope this look matches me. I feel like it will, but you know when you haven't done something before, so you're like, what is it gonna look like? So how is everyone's summer break going? I want to know, because I want to know if I should be doing more or less, or should I be traveling? Probably traveling for sure, right? I'm excited to show you guys the difference between the Beachy style and just regular straight hair. Why is this so cute? Okay, can you guys see the difference? I feel like this one is like very just regular, and then this one just like iron hair is obviously really pretty and you can wear it all the time, but I feel like this beachy like wavy look is so pretty. Ugh, okay, so I'm gonna take a break and then continue on this side because this took way too much time. I just realized I did it too curly, which I don't mind. I feel like it looks really pretty, but next time when I do it, I definitely want to try like leaving more spaces instead of doing it continuously like that. I look like I just came back from like vacation, and no, this actually looks like, you know when you get those braids done or like you braid your hair and then all of a sudden you wake up with really wavy hair? Oh my god, I love that look. My mom was like, you did it wrong. I was like, okay, fine. I'm gonna use the the Oribe Matte Waves Texture Lotion. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. I am so in love with it. It's so different. Nothing that I've done before, and I just love how it looks. Like, it's so like voluminous and it looks like very effortless.